babes, welcome back to my channel. Let's get into making this wig. You need your dome cap, your frontal. Of course, this is a 13 by 6 frontal. We're going to go ahead and look at that murder scene on the bottom of that. So we're going to go ahead and pin this in the front and in the back. I'm going to pull this about a half an inch to an inch in front of that cap, and we're going to pin it down there, and we're going to pin it down right in the back. Now we're going to go ahead and pin that hair down, get it out the way so we can go ahead and start sewing down this frontal. I went ahead and put 2 little balls in the top and put a clip. Start this sewing down process. So I started from the middle. I saw a lot of videos where a lot of people were complaining or saying that their frontal balled up and it had wrinkles in it. So I kind of started from the middle and kind of went through the hair and made sure that it was flat as can be as I went and I sewed in. So I'm gonna let you guys go ahead and watch this. It is so hard to make a wig and video at the same time, so I can make sure that you guys see. So if I messed up, please forgive me, but comment down below on some techniques that I can use to get better. I do want to say this is nylon thread. I prefer that over the cotton. I feel as though the cotton thread, it kind of knocks up on me a lot more than a nylon does. And I do make my my thread, I do make the thread really long, so I'm not, you know, having to stop and thread needles all the time. And I threaded a bunch of needles and I took them and stuck them to the front of that dome cap. This is a 21-inch dome cap. It's still a little bit bigger. It's still a little bit bigger than my head, but I sew on an elastic band, which I use from whenever I cut the front of that material up underneath that cap. I use that band there. So go ahead and keep on watching. As you can see, I am stitching close as possible, and we're going to go ahead and speed this thing up and get this frontal done. So now that we're done with that, let's go ahead and get this first bundle sewed in. I go through the weft, pull that through, and then I'll go ahead and attach that first bundle kind of in a U shape I guess you can say, by the front. So go ahead and watch. I did struggle with this, so I might fast forward or kind of skip kind of up to the top. So keep on watching. Yeah, so I did do the flip over method on this. I go through the weft and I kind of knot it off, and I go through the weft a few times so that I'm stuttering, so that it's as secure as possible and it's laying flat. So to hold those wefts in place, I take and I pull it all the way to the other side, and I take a T-pin and I secure it there, which is a big help. It keeps you from fighting with the wefts. And I did double these wefts. These wefts are doubled, so you have two wefts that you have to go through whenever you're trying to secure those ends down. Okay, love. So the struggle was real. Here we are. We have made it up to the top of the wig. I'm gonna take and start singling these tracks so that it lays down flat. So we're gonna go through and not double these wefts, but we're gonna I cut the weft at the end, and now we're gonna separate these tracks out. And now we are at the end of that. Look at my daughter in the background. So what I did was I did one track all the way down and around, so that that cap is not showing, and it's seamless and flawless and whatever else you want to call it. Okay, love, so this is the final product. I'm gonna go ahead and comb this out. As you see in the beginning of this video, these are some pictures that I took after I installed this wig, and there is gonna be a part, I believe it's part 5 now of this video, of how I installed this wig. So if you want to see that, stay tuned. And this is a video of me after I have made the wig, showing you guys what it is looking like. Yes, look at that. I'm super excited. This wig is gorgeous. I got a lot of compliments on this wig. As you can see, you can part this wig anywhere. This is a 13x6 frontal from Yolissa Hair Company. It is very soft. After I colored this hair, I did not bleach it. I did not lift it to obtain this color. If you want to see that video, I will link it probably in this clip somewhere. but I love it. This is the color that it came out to be. I did say I was gonna hit that frontal again, but I didn't. I left it as is and it looks good. But if you want to see how I customized this wig to my head and installed it, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and a big thumbs up this video.
Yes.
And what else?
A big thumbs up.
A big thumbs up, Kennedy says. And stay tuned for the next one. Bye, loves.
I got bands in the coop. Touch me, I'll shoot. Bow, sugar little ass.